welcome to Yemizkitchen. Today I am cooking shrimp Alfredo for my family, and I want to show you how I cook my shrimp Alfredo. These are the ingredients you're going to need. Today I'm using the macaroni, this is pasta, screw pasta. I'm using this, it's already parboiled. I'm going to need a little bit of oil or butter, Parmesan cheese, heavy cream. This is optional. You gotta use heavy cream, and some people don't put Parmesan cheese, but I like it rich. Black pepper, salt. My secret ingredient is nutmeg and my pepper. I have the red pepper, the yellow pepper, and the orange pepper. I just like the color. It doesn't make a difference for me. Then I have my garlic, which have been grated. I have like 3 or 4 cloves of garlic minced there. That's optional. I have my green onions and my regular onion. The green onions just to make it look beautiful. I have my divine big shrimp that's cooked already. I like my shrimp with the shell on it. Pasta shrimp Alfredo. So let's go to my pot. You're gonna put a little bit of oil. Then the onion. Let the onion fry just for nanosecond, like 2 minutes, for it to be almost tender and glazy. Here comes the garlic. This is my chopped garlic. Fry it a little bit for it to be cooked a little bit. Then here's my heavy cream. I'm putting my heavy cream in this. Then my Parmesan cheese. Then I put a little bit of my pepper, thyme, and Italian seasoning together. A pinch of salt, like half a teaspoon of salt, depending on what you eat and how you eat it. Your salt is to your taste all the time. Now I'm grating my nutmeg in this. That is my secret ingredient that take it up a notch. Now I'm adding my colored pepper, just a little portion of it. My red pepper, yellow pepper, orange pepper in one. That is my colored pepper, just to give it a different look. Stir for like 5 minutes. Then I put my shrimp in it. I want the shrimp to soak up the juice too. Let it cook for like 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'm putting my cooked pasta, my cooked screw pasta in this. Spread it like so that it will not be glued together. And fold it in to get all the juice in it. Let the pasta soak all the juice for more yumminess. More yumminess. Cover to cook for like 10 minutes. I want to put some broccoli in it just to make it more healthier for the family. Putting vegetable or putting broccoli is optional. You don't have to put it in it, but I want this broccoli in it. Basically, my pasta shrimp Alfredo is done. But just to let you know, the longer it stays on the stove, the more the cream is reduced. So if you want a lot of sauce, then turn it off. If you don't want a lot of sauce, then let it go for a longer time to soak up all the juice. Having said that, my pasta shrimp Alfredo is completed. Thank you always for staying with me, for checking up my channel, for giving me good feedbacks, Without you, there's no Yemizkitchen. Love you a lot. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, share, press the notification bell, and interact on my channel. As always, love you on Yemizkitchen. Don't forget, happiness is a choice. Do you? Love you. And I hope you try this and tag me on my social media. It really came out nice. Mwah. Love you. Have a good day. I'll see you on my next episode.
It